Control plus E, flash fill, to separate votes and see who really stole the election. Alt plus equal, if you want to sum these poor guys' net value. Control plus S, to save your workbook and a heart attack before Excel goes like this. Alt F1, insert charts, to realize how much you spent on useless shits. F4, repeat last action, like going back with your ex. I still love you, Jimmy. Control Shift L, add filters, so you can forget how many times you broke up. Alt HOI, autofit columns with, like a ship captain yelling, ahoy! Control Z, undo, in case you put too much Baileys in your coffee then you can't go back. Control F, fine. I wish I could do this with my keys. Control T, insert table, because you'd be crazy not to.
Are you crazy in your head, man?
Control 1, change cell format. 1, because it's the first thing you should do. Control spacebar, select column, so you master the control of your space. Okay, this one was cringe. Control plus end, move to the last cell of a dataset to avoid the tendonitis. Control colon, enter current date, in case you want to know when the week is ending. Control shift colon, enter current time, in case you want to know when the day is ending. Give me a break! Shift space, select entire row. Perfect for a school teacher to mute an entire row of sugar children after Halloween. F2, edit current cell. Perfect to quickly review your amazing spreadsheets. Control A, select all data. When you're too lazy to drag your mouse on huge dataset, Control W, close current workbook to hide whatever you're doing from your boss. Alt A, go to the data tab because A and data makes a lot of sense. Alt M, go to the formula tab. Come on, Microsoft. Alt F, maybe? Alt H, B, add border. H for home, B for border. Easy. Tab, move to the next cell. This one just saves my life every day. Shift tab, move to the previous cell. What do you think about the previous election? Control Shift right arrow, select all cells up to the right. Control Shift left arrow, can you guess what it does? Control Shift down arrow, oh well, I feel like I play Dance Dance Revolution right now. Control Shift dollar signs, apply currency format, dollar bills, dollar bills, dollar bills. Control Shift percentage, apply percentage format to figure out if you failed that exam again. Alt Q, toggle the tell me what you want to do box. This one is a banger.